This lecture is going to talk about range. Range deals with all of the y values on a graph. So let's take a look at the first one. The first one is going to be an absolute value graph. I want to focus on all the y values. So what's the lowest y value? Well, that's going to be this point right here. If I take that point and I go over to the y-axis, that's going to be -2. And then my graph keeps going up, so my y-axis is going to keep going up as well. So my domain is going to be my y values less than infinity, but it's going to be greater than or equal to -2. The second graph is a parabola. The parabola, make sure you find the lowest point on it, and that's going to be this point right here. And at that point, my domain, or my range, is going to be -4. And notice that my graph keeps going up, and so does my y-axis. So my y values are going to be less than infinity, but greater than or equal to -4. The last graph is a square root graph. The lowest point on the y-axis that the graph touches is going to be at this point right here. And that point is going to be at y = 2. And then I notice that my graph keeps going up, and so does my y-axis. So my y values are going to be less than infinity, but they're going to be greater than or equal to 2.